Welcome guys. Let's do Kava Coin technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you target of this bull run and my immediate short-term targets. Current rank of Kava is 134 and price of Kava is $5.20 right now. It is Binance based token and it is ordered by Certic. That is why this is a secure token. Let me please show you some statistics. After that, I'm going to show you charts. Market cap of Kava is $736 million. That is very good. And 24-hour trading volume of Kava is 93 million. That is good. Circulating supply of Kava is 141 million. And total supply of Kava is just 151 million only. And let me please show you some statistics. This is the graph here you can see. Let me please show you all-time high and all-time low of this token. All-time high of this token was on September 9, 2021, about 2 months ago, and price was $14.38. All-time low of this token was on March 13, 2020, and price was just 30 cents only, and it was about 2 years ago. Kava return on investment is 1022%. That is very, very huge. And let me please show you some other things, and after that I will show you charts and other things. It is available on Binance, Huobi Global and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or Huobi Global, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. This is Binance exchange link and this is Huobi exchange link. Click on these links and create your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. You can total collect $5,680 bounces. Let's dive into the content again. And what is Kava? Let me please show you. Kava is a cross-chain DeFi lending platform that allows users to borrow USDX stablecoins and deposit a variety of cryptocurrencies to begin earning a yield. And let me please show you website. This is Kava's website. Grow your crypto safety, and these are some features. Stablecoin loans in seconds, lend, borrow and start earnings. Swap, low fee trading, high reward liquidity, and some other important features. This is the website. Visit this website by your own. And this is very, very important token and having very, very bright future. And these are the partners. Here you can see how much this token having bright future and how much this token is important. Why I am saying this, you know that. Let me please show you charts and some other stuffs. This is Kava USDT 4-hour pair chart, and here you can see after creating top at that point $6.45 and $6.89, it is in this descending wedge. These yellow lines are support and resistance lines. Current price of Kava is $5.21 right now, and current resistance level is $5.36 right now. If it broke this, in that case, according to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this, and it will hit new resistance level which is $5.73 and broke this upper trend line of this falling wedge. And technical target of this falling wedge, let me please show you, is this. If it broke this from this zone or this zone, technical target will be the beginning of this falling wedge, and here you can see it is $6.86. But if it rejected from this zone, there is a strong spot is at $4.95. After that, a strong spot is at this zone too, and it is 4.75, 4.95. These are two major support zones, and these are major support zones. I think price of the Kava will go up and it will hit my targets very soon. Let me please show you volume. There is a good volume in Kava chart. That is a good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon once candle closing above $5.26 price level. In that case, Kava will break this EMA ribbon. After that, price definitely will hit my targets. We have to wait for this until a strong volume confirmation. Let me please show you some other indicators. This is for our RSI and it is at 54 and it is above 50. That is good sign, and it is indicating that price can further go up very soon. MACD crossover towards upside here you can see, and little green towers are coming, and that is the meaning that price definitely will boom. And let me please show you my second chart, which is Kava USDT pair daily chart, and it is Binance chart. Here you can see Kava is in this descending wedge, you can say falling wedge, and this triangle. Let me please show you the targets of this. This is a bullish pattern, and price can easily hit this zone. And let me please arrange this. Technical target will be the beginning of this descending wedge, or you can say falling wedge, and it is $9.26. Once it broke this, in that case definitely it will boom and price definitely will go further up, but we have to wait for this. If unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case price can go down to hit this zone, and this is the support zone is at $4 price area. After that, this zone is very important to hold, and it is at this zone $2.54. But I don't think price can go down to hit these levels. I think price is ready to hit ready to break this upper trend line, and after that it have to break this first horizontal level, which is $6.34 price level, and after that definitely it can break second target and second resistance, which is at this level 6.84, and after that it can hit these targets. These are three major targets. Note down these targets: 6.34, 6.84 and $9.26. These are the targets on daily chart, and these are the targets Kava can hit within some days. Good volume in Kava chart, that is a very good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above this level, which is $5.75 price level, in that case Kava price broke this EMA ribbon as well as this upper trend line. In that case we may see a upside rally. Until now we have to wait. And let me please show you RSI, daily RSI. Daily RSI is at 43. Once it cross 50, definitely price will go up. We have to wait. Daily MACD is at crossover towards upside is about to happen. Once this crossover done, in that case definitely price will go up, otherwise we have to wait. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator, and this will decide monthly targets. This is because this is monthly CPR indicator. These yellow lines are monthly CPR supportive lines, and these lines are $5.94 price level. And Kava's price hit this bearish target. These red lines are bearish monthly targets. Kava prices hit this target. Price hit this target 4.96. It is bearish target, but now candles are above from this zone, and that is good sign. Once candle closing above 5.97, in that case this monthly CPR will turn into a strong support. After that, these are monthly targets for Kava. First monthly target 6.88, second monthly target is 7.84, and third monthly target for Kava is $8.74. These are the targets. Note down these targets. And let me please show you a chart of Kava in weekly time frame, and let me please show you. This is Kava weekly chart USDT pair, and here you can see it is respecting this trend line very much, and this is how it is moving like this, and this is the way. Here you can see after every touch price bounce back, after every touch price bounce back. Now again prices are at the same level, which is very important, and we have to be very careful. Once Kava price broke this box area towards downside, in that case price can go down to maybe first spot is at this level, monthly spot is at $5.15, price $4.88, after that $2.72. These are monthly spot levels, but I don't think so. I think price can definitely will move towards upside, and according to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. This will be our target. Once Kava broke this horizontal resistance of $5.20 and closed daily candle above this, in that case it can hit $7.68. After that, this zone is also very important, and it can hit $8.70 after that. But this box area is very important. Let me please show you some indicators. Volume in weekly is very low. We need strong volume. EMA, weekly EMA candles are still in between this EMA. Once weekly candle closing above 5.81, in that case it will extreme bullish, but until now we have to wait for this. And let me please show you RSI. Weekly RSI is at 47. Once it crosses 50, in that case definitely price will go up. And now let me please show you the target of this bull run, which I think will be very realistic. Let me please show you. For this I have to take this tool, Fib retracement trend tool, and after that I have to put it at the lowest level. And let me please fix this chart. Kava price is rejecting from 0.38, which is $5.19 price area. Once Kava price broke this, in that case next target is 0.5, which is $6.09. It is rejected at that zone, which is 0.38 Fibonacci level. Once it broke this, in that case next target is $6.09, and it is 0.5 Fibonacci level. After that, golden pocket 0.61 Fibonacci level, which is at 6.98, and after that 0.78 Fibonacci level, which is $8.16, and after that so on. Let me please show you my target for this bull run for Kava. And this will be the realistic target, and I think it can easily hit this target. $20 to $25 price area will be my target, and this is very realistic target to me, and I think it can easily hit this target. These are the targets I think Kava can hit in this bull run, $20 to $25 price area. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of Binance, Phemex, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi, and FTX exchanges, just go to in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and collect these bounces after registration and after deposit. These bounces are absolutely free. Grab these bounces and trade with these bounces only. These bounces are tradable, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.